Okay guys, real short one tonight. I've been in dire need of getting this fixed for a long period of time. The control box has got an electronic board in it. I went through the whole electronic board. I couldn't see anything wrong with it. There was a slight fray on the wire that I repaired with a little silicone. That way it's insulated and it's good. The only part that was left was the reluctor pickup, which actually has a little light in it, and when the reluctor wheel that has the cutouts in it, oh look, you can actually see the light, right? I didn't know you could see the light right on the side. You can actually see it make and break. When she makes and breaks, we got our speed. There's two different settings for the speed. We can do an average, which it'll watch it and it'll come up with a number, or real time. It also tells you which direction it's going in, positive or negative. And if you take a look above it, I've got minus is counterclockwise and plus is clockwise. So, kind of interesting how it's designed, right? Take a look at the notches. It's a pretty cool piece. I am absolutely thrilled that I was able to fix it. I just bought the optical pickup. I think it cost about 45 bucks. And I got my $1,000 swirl meter back in action. So, take a look at the blade. It's just flat. How it actually works is it goes underneath my bore adapter. And the reason it's flat, as the air is coming down, if it has swirl to it, it'll have an angular velocity on the flat blades. Okay, and that angular velocity is what we're measuring. It's actually a really nice piece. It's got a really heavy-duty ball bearing on it. It's a really nice piece. I'm so happy I got it fixed. Alright guys, that's it. I'm in the midst of finessing the GT40s, and I can only do finessing for a couple hours at a clip, so I did some more work on the E7 50-degree heads. I think they're going to turn out really, really nice. So I'll be showing you guys that stuff real soon. Thanks for hanging out. Good night.